How to deposit money on MetaTrader 5. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to actually fund or have money inside of your MetaTrader, you're going to have to fund your broker account, not your MetaTrader account. So there is no actual account that you have in MetaTrader, but you're going to have to utilize it when you log into with your different broker accounts over here. So you're going to connect your broker account in this area. And to be able to have money inside of those broker accounts, you're going to have to go to one of your broker platforms. For example, for me, I have XM as an example of broker account here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look over here on the left side. Typically, different broker accounts will have funding or like deposit and withdraw options over here that would allow us to fund or deposit money into your broker. Then if you have money inside of your broker, you will then be able to have it inside or utilize it inside of your MetaTrader 5. So that's basically how it works. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.